Hi guys, this is Honey from Honey's TV. In today's section, I am going to share with you how to apply lipstick like a pro. So let's get started. Before applying lipstick, you should apply lip balm to moisturize your lips. I'm using this lip pencil because this is a great way to use the lip pencil to enhance your lip shape and to bleed out the lipstick. I'm applying lip balm to moisturize my lips. So this is a way to apply perfect lipstick. Should try on yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. I'll see you soon in next video. Until then, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for Honey's TV for more such videos. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.